ingestion of caffeine is somewhat of an exception to avoid before what would otherwise be dopamine increasing activities, because caffeine can increase the density and the efficacy of these dopamine receptors. Turns out that the source of caffeine could also matter. While coffee or tea or other forms of caffeine will have this effect of increasing dopamine receptors, yerba mate has some interesting properties. First of all, it contains caffeine. It's also high in antioxidants. It also contains something called GLP-1, which is favorable for management of blood sugar levels. Ingestion of yerba mate can actually serve to preserve the survival of dopamine neurons in both the movement-related pathway and the motivation pathway. If one were going to consume caffeine, you might consider consuming that caffeine in the form of yerba mate, both for sake of upregulating dopamine receptors and getting more of a dopamine increase,